Today I'm going to share with you exactly how much my YouTube channel has earned in its very first year here on YouTube. To give you a little backstory, my YouTube channel began in January of 2023. It was monetized on Memorial Day of 2023. And so I've just surpassed my first full year being monetized here on YouTube. I know when I first started my YouTube channel last year, I watched a ton of videos just like this one so I could truly understand the monetization process and what I could expect in terms of money from YouTube. Let me also share with you guys, if you are new to the Still Waters channel and you love DIY crafting or wreath design, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join us. You guys, there's a lot of different ways that you can make money here on YouTube, and I just wanted to share with you that all of the income I'm revealing to you is 100% from Google AdSense. All right, let's dive into the income. I'm going to share with you how much I earned every single month for the past year here on YouTube. Okay, so we're going to start out with June of 2023 since I was only monetized for a couple of days in May. So in June, I had 17,688 views. I had 1,900 watch hours. I gained 327 subscribers. I uploaded 7 videos. On my lowest earning day, I earned $2.27. And on my highest earning day, I earned $6.01 for a total in June of $110.56. You guys, I really had no idea what to expect for my first month's earnings, and I was really happy with that. Okay, let's go on to July. In July of 2023, I had 37,100 total views. I had 2,200 watch hours. I gained 408 subscribers. On my lowest paying day, I earned $1.80. On my highest paying day, I earned $6.75, and for the month of July, I earned $112.86. In August of 2023, I had 36,000 views. I had 3,700 watch hours. I gained 892 subscribers. You guys, I forgot to mention how many videos I uploaded last month. My apologies. But in August, I uploaded 10 videos. My lowest paying day was $3.84. My highest paying day was $16.29. And the total amount of money that I earned in August of 2023 was $219.55. In September of 2023, I had 63,600 views. I had 7,000 watch time hours. I gained 1,600 new subscribers. That was crazy. I uploaded 8 videos. My lowest paying day was $9.96. My highest paying day was $35.90. You guys, I remember that day. I was so shocked at that and so appreciative. And my total earnings for September were $510.62. Okay, for October, you guys, things just went bonkers. I really can't hardly believe it. In October, I had 79,600 total views. I had 9,700 watch hours. I gained 2,100 subscribers. I uploaded 15 videos. My lowest paying day was $22.73. And my highest paying day was $46.96. So in October, I earned $986.92. Amazing. I was so curious to see where my YouTube adventure would go and grow, and it just has continued to blow me away. I'm so thankful for all of you. Okay, in November of 2023, I had 63,700 total views. I had 6,900 total watch hours. I gained 1,200 subscribers. I uploaded 10 videos. My lowest paying day was $16.69. My highest paying day was $52.07, and my total earnings for November was $937.64. Now, let me take a quick pause here, guys. If you are new to my channel, I actually had a very substantial injury on November 27th. And so between that injury and its impact on my inability to make videos, along with the Christmas holiday, my December stats are very different. So in December, I had 41,600 total views. I had 3,400 watch hours. I gained 615 subscribers. I uploaded 6 videos. My lowest paying day, which was actually Christmas Day, was $3.09, not surprising. And my highest paying day was $30.52. And so my total earnings for December was $422.24. Now, that injury that I mentioned earlier really impacted my ability to create videos in all of December and January. So keep that in mind. Okay, so January of 2024, I had 52,400 views. I had 5,400 watch hours. I gained 1,200 subscribers. I uploaded 5 videos. My lowest paying day was actually January 1st, New Year's Day, and that was $7.39. My highest paying day was $27.37, and my total earnings for January was $491.84. In February of 2024, I had 46,400 views. I had 4,200 watch hours. I gained 891 subscribers. I uploaded 16 videos, really trying to recover from my downtime due to my injury. So that was crazy. My lowest paying day was $10.48. My highest paying day was $20.62. And my total earnings for February was $422.57. In March, I had 52,700 views. I had 7,300 watch hours. I gained 980 subscribers. I uploaded 8 videos. My lowest paying day was $12.61. My highest paying day was $33.81, and my total earnings for March was $653.77. In April, I had 47,100 views. I had 9,300 watch hours. I gained 1,000 subscribers. I uploaded 2 videos. My lowest paying day was $14.28, and my highest paying day was $37.12, and my total earnings for April was $638.19. In May, I had 57,100 views. I had 8,898 watch hours. I gained 982 subscribers. I uploaded 7 videos. My lowest paying day was $12.29. My highest paying day was $49.42, and my total earnings for May was $722.70. And so my total earnings for my first year being fully monetized here on YouTube was $6,313.93. I hope this video inspired you to continue on or begin your YouTube journey. I definitely think it's worth it. If you have any questions about the monetization process or how to start your own YouTube channel, drop your questions below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.